Hi, I hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, we're going to be doing a Amuse haul. I'd say it's like a medium-sized haul, nothing too big, nothing too small. If you want to see how I got this look that I have going on now, I actually filmed the video using the new Revolution times The Simpsons collection. I have the eyeshadow palette, we have a face palette, a primer, some lip products. It was a lot of fun, so if you want to watch that, that's going to be linked down below. If you want to see what came in this Amuse order, just keep on watching. Before that, don't forget, if you like drugs or makeup, go ahead and stick around, subscribe, maybe hit the bell so you're notified whenever I upload. And if you could like the video if you like it, and the video's gonna start right now. So we're going to talk about a couple repurchases that I have. In this video, I have two of the Jelly Jam lip masks. So I did go ahead and go through all of the ones that I already own. But these retail for $155. I purchased two of the honey version. Those are just my favorite ones. And of course, I'm going to keep repurchasing. I love them. I throw them on before bed. They're just super moisturizing on the lips. Perfect for, you know, lip sleeping mask. It's just so good. So I definitely had to purchase those. Now that we're here, let's talk about this. This is a Beauty Treats Butter Lip Balm in Aloe. I saw this on Amuse. I wanted to see what I think of it. Now you do get quite a bit of product in here, and there's a look at that product. Now this one, oh, smells so good. Smells like coconut. I can't wait to use this. I love these types of products. It does say butter lip balm, so it hopefully feels like buttery on the lips. I don't know. It says aloe. It says it's formulated with cocoa butter for moisturizing lips. So can't wait to try this out. I guess we're not going in any particular order. I've been getting more into like ear cuffs and things like that, so I did purchase this. It does have like the what is this, like the evil eye situation. It does have a couple ear cuffs in here, so I do love using ear cuffs as of lately. I haven't been doing it these couple of days actually, but yeah, so I've been purchasing these. They're really inexpensive and they look really cute on the ear. For some reason, I have the brow pomade. I think I purchased another one. This is the one in, I think I mentioned this in my other video. This is the one in dark brown, but for some reason it's in this video, so maybe someone had to hear this. But these are actually really good. I did own another one, and I'm in the shade Ebony, but it was just a little too deep for my eyebrows, so I went ahead and purchased dark brown, which I haven't even used yet. I don't know how it ended up in this video. So yeah, I think I mentioned this in my last Amuse video. I also have this in here for some reason. This is a Amuse liner. I don't know why there's like random stuff in here, but yeah, I have this. I haven't used that either. I do have the LA Colors pressed powder. I did purchase a deeper shade. This one's in the one in tan. I said that weird, but this one is a little deep. It's not for all over the face. I do want to use this for you know, a nice bronzer situation. Maybe I could use it on the outer portions of the face. Looks pretty nice. I did used to own a different shade. I finished it all up. It was such a good powder, which is why I wanted to pick it up, but I think like this shade here is a little too deep for all over the face, but we'll see. We'll try it out in a new like full face of Amuse makeup. I also purchased a bunch of these. These are the hydrating serum. It just feels so nice on the face, honestly. So I had to purchase a whole pack of them. I really love the fact that you can purchase them individually or in a set, which I love, because Amuse, they've been taking a little while to get to me. So having these on hand is very important. I love throwing it on, especially at nighttime. It just makes my face feel so good before bed. Next, we have two hand creams. I think I did mention that I purchased a couple more in my last Amuse haul, but I did go ahead and pick up the one in vanilla, which is this purpley one, and then we have the one in coconut. These are so good just to have in your purse for on the go when your hands feel really dry, especially with just over applying hand sanitizer all day. These are definitely products that come in handy for me, so I purchased two of these. I also went ahead and purchased this. I've been seeing this a lot on their website, but for some reason I hadn't bit the bullet on it. I got the A+ Renew Plus Plus. This is their exfoliating facial sponge. I did used to own a little one that I don't know what happened to it. So I did purchase this one. Hopefully this one works a little better for me with like cleanser or whatever. So we're gonna get some use out of this, and then it retails for $188. Next, I have this product, which is the Starry SPF 8 Lip Moisturizer Plus. It's an aloe lip balm plus vitamin E lip gloss with a fruit flavor. So I think this one here is the apple flavor. So like the name says, it comes with a lip balm situation, which is really cool, and then it doesn't really smell like anything. And then we have the little lip gloss on the bottom. Yeah, the lip gloss does smell like apple. This is really cute. I thought it'd be fun just something to throw in my cart just to see how it works. I believe this one also comes in different scents and stuff, so definitely check it out. I want to see how it works for my lips because I definitely need hydration at night. That's why I bought the lip mask, but also I like using these types of products throughout like the day or when I'm watching TV or whatever, just to have on hand. So I can't wait to use that. I did go ahead and purchase another one of the AOA Perfect blushes. Now I did use this in a recent video, and this is the one in Fino. I really like these blushes. I think they're a really nice formula. There's a look at that, and that's how that shade looks. It is like very light. It's a really interesting one. Now it looks really nice and kind of almost rosy on the face. So I do want to keep using this and see what I think of this particular shade. For sure, I cannot use it as like a bronzer. It's just too light, but it does have like a rosy kind of tint to it. Bought quite a few liners in this order. I have the Amuse liquid liner that comes in this kind of reflective packaging. And there's a look at the liner. It does have like a long applicator. So there's a look at that one. Okay. It looks really watery. It doesn't look that pigmented. We're gonna see how this works on the eye, but swatch wise, I'm not that impressed with it. Next we have this one here, which is a Malibu Glitz Ultra Slick Eyeliner. And that's a look at that. It does come with a bunch of stickers on it for some reason. And that's how the liner looks. And this one does come with like a stiffer kind of applicator. Okay, this one looks a little more promising. I think this one is matte. We're gonna see how they dry down, but this one looks more promising than the other one. And then we have the Starry Perfect Roller Liquid Liner. I did want to try this out. It gave me vibes of the MAC Rollerball Liner, I believe it was also called, which comes with like a pizza cutter kind of situation. And I did attempt, well, I almost used this in a different video, but honestly, like swatch wise, it isn't that like impressive. Let me know if you used this product before. Again, this is from Starry. It is from Amuse. It just, maybe it has like a learning curve to it, but it doesn't look that impressive to me. Next we have a couple of the AOA Studio Beauty Face Stamps. I have the flower, the heart, so that's how they look. And then I have one open. I believe this one I almost used in a video as well, or maybe I used it, I don't remember. It's been a while since I've had these products. This is the one in the star one. Oh, I did use this. I used this for a Halloween video. That video is going to be down below if you want to see it. But again, this is just their Beauty Face Stamp Liner. This is the one that I used in that video. I remember because I used the star stamp. And it's really nice, really easy to use. I like that. And then we have the liner side, which was really nice, really black. And it did dry down matte. I like this. This is really nice, really easy to use. So happy that I picked up 3 of them. I'm gonna take a look at the flower one. Kind of want to see what it can do. Okay, that one looks promising too. I like that stamp. And then we have a heart stamp. Gosh, it's getting a little difficult. It's getting a little crowded. That one looks pretty too. Okay. Yeah, this looks nice. Can't wait to use the stamps. They're really fun, really nice addition to any makeup look, I feel. Really cute, really simple. Again, the like actual liner side is really nice as well, really black and pigmented. So I'm really glad that I picked these up. Next, I picked up a couple of the Malibu Glitz liquid highlights. I thought these were shadows for some reason. I picked up the shade Topaz, which is this one here, and I picked up the one in Aquamarine 04. So there's a look at those products up close. So pretty. Love the packaging. Okay, so I forgot that these were highlights. So it does come with the doe foot applicator, which I think is interesting. That's the one in Topaz. Okay. I'm like in shock. I didn't think there were liquid highlights. Unless I forgot. This is the one in Aquamarine. I think they look promising. Nothing special. I don't know. We'll see how they blend out on the skin. Because look, you see how I'm like, you blend it in? It's weird. Look, it already dried. I mean, if it's a liquid highlight, wouldn't you expect it to like move around? Weird. Okay. Honestly, I'm thinking these were eyeshadows. I'm gonna have to look that up and see, because as a liquid highlight, I don't know how that's gonna work if you can't even move it around. kind of meh about these products here, honestly. Let me know if I'm doing something wrong. Are they liquid eyeshadows? Let me know down below. Have you tried them? Are they amazing? Are they horrible? Let me know down below. And lastly, we do have an eyeshadow palette. This one here is from Amuse, and this is the Precious Gems eyeshadow palette. This one specifically is in the Genuine Emerald. I know it's like super reflective. That's how the inside of the palette looks. And these shadows are like that baked kind of formula. So I'm going to give this one a swatch. Why not? Okay, so there's a quick swatch of the palette. I think it's really cute. Nothing outstanding or anything, but I think this is going to go really well, especially for like the fall months. Oh, this is such a nice palette. I say my favorite one in the actual palette is this shade, but the way that it's swatched out, it's like that matte green. Wasn't that impressive? And these do kind of smell like baby wipes. It smells good. And I'd say like swatch wise, my most favorite was that dark shimmer at the end of the palette. Let me know if you picked up any of these little palettes down below. What do you think if you already use them on the eye? And this is actually the last product in today's video. So we made it to the end. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed filming this for you today. Everything that I talked about, all the names of the prices are going to be down below, as well as any videos that I mentioned throughout this video or videos that I uploaded last week. Don't forget I upload 3 times a week on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday, so if you could stick around, that would be amazing. I have my Insta handle displayed on the screen. I post a lot of makeup finds from jokes to the high end, so if that interests you, go ahead and follow me there. And it'd be so amazing if you could like and subscribe. Of course, you don't have to. You're your own person and you make your own decisions, but it wouldn't hurt to give this video a like, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.